और मेरा ये दावा है कि जब भी आप अपनी आप बीती पर फिल्म बनाते हैं तो उसका असर 10 गुना ज़्यादा होता है। इमेजिनेशन से आप कुछ हद तक लोगों के दिलों में घर कर पाते हैं, मगर जब सच्चाई उसमें आप बोते हैं तो उसकी एक लीप ज़्यादा ही आगे होती है। मगर ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने जब इमेजिनेशन पे आधारित फिल्म बनाई तो वो उसने अपना असर नहीं दिखाया। आशिकी 2 जो हमने अभी बनाई थी भूषण जी और हमने, और वो contrary to the cynicism in the marketplace surprised everybody and till date remains the most highest grosser on return of investment. And I think Ashiki 2 is the biggest money spinner of my career of almost 40 years. तो मुझे इस बात का यकीन है कि दिव्या जो तुम्हारी फिल्म है, जो लव स्टोरी की स्पेस से कनेक्टेड है, इनोसेंस के उस फेस से कनेक्टेड है, जिसमें ऐसा जानलेवा म्यूजिक है जिसको मैंने अभी देखा है, आई थिंक ये फिल्म इज ऑल सेट टू क्रिएट another history, and I'm certain that this is just the beginning. उसके बाद में 20 साल बाद खड़े होके हमारी तरह लगता है।
Thank you so much. I'm extremely nervous today, so please bear with me. And I would like to thank Bhatt sir for making this so special for me. And I would like to thank the media for all their support and kindness and for being present here on the most important day of my life. It's an extremely emotional moment for me, especially because I was only 18 years old when I thought, in fact, I told a friend of mine in college that one day I'll direct a film. And now, after almost a decade of working towards it, I think Yariya has finally come true. And now I'll like to call the man, the one and only man without whom Yariya would not have been possible, my pillar of support, strength, the very successful and very dashing Mr. Bhushan Kumar.
So it was very difficult, but I means it was his luck. Means when I started making the songs, and I've taken all the biggest music directors, creative music directors on this for this film, and I want to thank Preetham means who was kind enough to give us 2 songs in the film, which he never does for anybody. He just do entire film. I got Mithun, I got Arko, I got Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So it was her luck. We got all the songs one by one, and that also means I think we were not on time, but still she managed 2 days earlier. We were giving her the songs, but she has shot it brilliantly. I am very proud of her.
I would like to thank Divya ma'am and Bhushan sir for sure that you guys gave me a break. You are like my mother and father. Please ma'am, please. It's industry. You are the godfather for me. I have no such link, nothing.
My son will cry there.
Nee. It's definitely. But this definitely means a lot to me, and I'm very thankful to you.
I think it was definitely not easy. It was very tough on the contrary because he's a very successful producer, and for him the reputation of T-Series is very important. Also because it's his father's company and he's emotionally attached to it. So just at the saying of his wife कि मुझे एक picture बनानी है, he just won't let me do a film like that. He can't play with the reputation of T-Series. And I had to struggle a lot to prove myself. पहले मैंने काफ़ी मेहनत की. मैंने सिनेमाटोग्राफी सीखी, एडिटिंग सीखी, उसके बाद मैं शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाने लग गई. मैंने काफ़ी सारे म्यूज़िक वीडियोस डायरेक्ट किए, ऑलमोस्ट 20 म्यूज़िक वीडियोस. एंड देन फाइनली आई वर्कड ऑन माई स्क्रिप्ट. मैंने 3 स्क्रिप्ट भूषण के सामने रखी, उन्होंने immediately reject कर दी, and this was I think my 4th script. So it was a long journey, and I don't think उन्होंने बहुत easily accept किया, but I think he was not even very confident when I started it, but only now when the response has been superb and amazing, he's feeling very proud and happy. So I'm happy that he's happy, and I'm happy that I could come good on his expectations.
He is the producer of the film also, so I don't think कुछ डील करने की ज़रूरत है. और फिल्म बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस करेगी. आई एम श्योर इट विल डू वेरी गुड बिजनेस. आशिकी का रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हमारे लिए वो है, दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट, बिकॉज आशिकी इज़ आवर बिगेस्ट फिल्म. और मैं तहे दिल से चाहता हूँ कि वो रिकॉर्ड तोड़े.
जो बोलते हैं उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सच्चाई है, बिकॉज ये सारे न्यू कमर्स हैं और कोई भी इनका एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड ऑल्दो किसी सुपरस्टार के बेटे नहीं हैं, बच्चे नहीं हैं, बट आई थिंक हमने बहुत वर्कशॉप्स की. वी ऑलमोस्ट डिड वर्कशॉप्स फॉर 6 months. आई trained them every day, रगड़ोड them, I scolded them a lot. और जब तक मुझे लगा कि इनको कैरेक्टर समझ में नहीं आया, मैं करती गई. एंड आई थिंक सेट तक पहुंचने तक ये सारे परफेक्टली ट्रेन हो गए थे. और व्हेन यू सी देम एक्टिंग इन द फिल्म, अब कोई नहीं कह सकता कि ये मॉडलिंग से, अब सब यही कहेंगे कि ये परफेक्टली ट्रेन्ड एक्टर्स लग रहे हैं.